Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are going to build the Lego Friends Emma's Deluxe Bedroom today. This one is, I think so far, it is my favourite Lego Friends bedroom out of the sets, though we've still got to build Andrea's bedroom too. So we'll see what this one looks like, and then we got one more to go, and then all the girls will have their special themed bedrooms. And look at Emma's, it's all, oh, look at the kitty! Oh, all right, this is going to be fun. Okay, so obviously we're going to need Emma because it is her bedroom, and I'm pretty sure we've seen this outfit before. In fact, I'm 100% positive we've seen this outfit before, but that doesn't make me love it any less. I really think that Emma has got the best outfits maybe out of the new Lego Friends looks. Oh, and she's joined by Chico the cat, who's bringing her bow, her perfect accessory to just give that outfit some beautiful bling. And she's ready. And Chico is here also to behave really nicely and not wreak any havoc. And, oh, Chico, your bowl is empty. Oh, Emma's going to bring you a cat treat if you can sit there really nicely and quietly. Oh, you can. Here you are. Oh, you can gobble that up. Now, what else do we have? Oh, Emma's got a camera because she just loves all forms of visual arts, and she's going to take some pictures here of Chico eating Chico's dinner. Try not to get all the crumbs on Chico's whiskers. Our first part of the actual build is a little chair, and of course Chico, being a cat, is the first one in the chair. Oh, now and run away. So that's what cats do. Now Emma can try it out. Oh, and now Chico's back. Chico, stop playing around. There. Oh no, hold on, they've all fallen out of the chair now. There you go. You can sit there and have a bit of a cuddle while we do the next part of the build. What have we got now? These bedrooms are so interesting. They're just full of lots of little features that go with each girl's personality. And this one, I hope it's not a hair ornament set. What's this? This has got the tassel that I've seen before in the Ninjago sets. Maybe it's a perfume bottle? It's a massive perfume bottle if it is. Perfume bottle for the cat to groom the cat. Oh no, it's a cat toy. It's a cat tree. So the tassel, when the tassel wobbles in the wind, then Chico's going to just want to bat at it and she can scratch. Oh, it's a whole fabulous scratching post for Chico. Okay, this is cool. What have we got now? That's so cute. That's so much better than just having a little cat house. All right, we have a little handle. Something's gonna move. We've put a cog in. Something's definitely gonna move. Well, this is exciting. So that looks like a drawer front there. And here's a bigger cog, which is gonna connect to our smaller cog through. Oh, so we've put that up against a smooth Lego piece so that it just turns really nicely. Look at that, that's all such a snug fit. And when we turn, look at that, this is 100% a pottery table. How cool is that? So the turntable that you put your clay on, here's some nice unformed pieces of clay, ready to be turned into something artistic or something useful or just something beautiful. And speaking of something beautiful, it looks like Emma is working on a sculpture, a bust. That's so cool. And we can turn it around and she can chisel out the features, or she can add more clay on it. That is really awesome. All right, on to the bedroom. Let's see how this takes shape. Of course, we've got a purple base plate because purple is one of those colors that is, well, one of Emma's colors. And the back wall, all of these girls have had a window in their room in pretty much the same place. So it looks like Emma's window is not going to be an opening one. It's going to be a brick window. Got some see-through bricks, and we've got some pink ones. We're just building the rest of the wall up as well. That's super duper pretty. That's really pretty. Even though she can't let any air in through it, it looks, the light shining in through it is going to be, oh, just really lovely. Look, she's peeking in. It's just taking shape really nicely. All right, up here on the top of the wall, let's see. We're smoothing over there, but that's it. We're done with the top of the wall. First of her wall features, she's got a cork board here with some, looks like some close-ups that she's taken. None of the crumbs on Chico's whiskers yet, but they might come up later. So some really interesting close-up shots. And underneath the window in all the other girls' bedrooms, there's been the bed. So I'm assuming we are now building Emma's bed. And they've all been different. They've all had the different character. There's the little pillow. And here is her bedspread. Her bedspread is that cute little kitty. Oh, really big kitty. That's really adorable. That's so cute. Oh, hold on, I've missed out some bricks on the end. That's not going to work. There we are. Now her bed is ready. And you know how there's little studs in the middle so that it's not smooth? That's going to stop her from rolling off. That's clever design, isn't it? I would have smoothed that all over because I'm not a clever designer. I would have thought of something like that. And next to her bed, she's got a chest of drawers. Very nice. And what are we going to put on that chest of drawers? A lamp. This is pretty. This is really the prettiest bedroom so far. And over here next to the chest of drawers, we're going to have a working area. Looks like we're going to have a hinged something or other. So this here has got 4 different cylinders. These have got to be paint. They've got to be paint cans or paint bottles. And if I can get it up straight. So that's a little shelf hanging off the side of her work table. And on her work table, she's actually working on, looks like mixed media here. She's got some swatches of different colors and she's got might be a big Sharpie, a big pink Sharpie and some stickers and some scissors and a green paint footprint on there. So it looks like Chico has also been for a wander over her artboard. But it looks like her working board where she's journaling what she's busy trying to work on. And now our base plate is complete and it's a heart shape just like the others. It's such a cool design. And at the end of her bed, she is going to have what? Let's see. Looks like something's going to go on those hooks. We got a little box. Actually, quite a big box compared to some of the other ones. And this box is getting a lid. This is a really good use of space. So she's got a nice big box that she can actually even put things on the top like a cat. And cats like to hide in boxes, so Chico is now in that box. But Chico doesn't belong in the box. In the box, we have got these interesting little pieces. I don't know quite what they are. They look like they might be tickets to concerts. They look like they might be memorabilia, or they might be little tiny artworks or some samples of, I don't know, some promotional stuff that she's done. And there's a vase with a pretty flower up there. And on the other single stud, well, this is cool because we can take them off. She's got an old school telephone. Aww. She can sit on her bed and chat on the telephone. Chico's gone. All right, we have got some big columns at the end of the bed. And this bed is getting a little bit fancy because this is the first time we have seen a 4-poster bed in the Lego Friends designs. It's really clever. So a flower under here. And all these little single ones are quite tricky to put on. And we're going to just have kind of the suggestion of hanging drapes. Look, so it's gently shaped on the top just to make it really pretty. And the colours are gorgeous too. I love the colour combinations for Emma with that aqua colour and the purple and the pink. It's all just very, very pretty. And now she has got a 4-poster bed. Oh, I think we're pretty much finished. It looks spectacular. It looks cozy and comfy and it looks like it's just got so many things for her to do in there. She'll be it wouldn't matter if she was grounded. Where am I going to put this camera? Because she's got so many things she could do in her room. No, not up there. How about, yep, on the paint tin. Perfect idea. So much packed into her little bedroom here. All right, we should play with this because it looks awesome. Time to do a bit more sculpting on this bust here. A bit more, need a bit more definition. Oh, telephone's ringing. She just threw that clay on the ground. That is not tidy. Oh, hold on, Stephanie's got something very important to tell her. Oh, but we need to keep an eye on Chico because Chico is doing some sculpting of her own. Oh, and now part of the clay is all over her head and oh my goodness, I think, Emma, you might need to get off the phone for now. You might need to fix up the mess that Chico has made. Chico might be short for cheeky. Let's get this and go and get it back on that sculpture before it's completely destroyed. before it dries out. Oh my goodness, that cat. Whew. Maybe you could do a little bit of work over here on your art table, but no, Chico just wants attention. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, putting my feet. Oh no, hold on. Oh look, now I'm painting with my feet. Oh, please pay attention to me. Meow, meow, pat me. Poor Emma, she's not going to get any peace until she gives Chico a great big pat. So pat time for Chico. Oh, and Chico's purring and Chico loves that. But now Chico's had enough because that's how cats roll. And now, because Chico's just run off, maybe now Emma could finish her phone conversation with Stephanie and find out what was so important that made her call her in the first place. Oh, I don't know, we're never going to find out because we've got to go and it's time for you to subscribe and it's time for you to click like and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the set. Let me know what you want me to build next. And I'm going to be back with another build really soon. So bye, see you soon.